Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of solely. Not involving anyone or anything else, only. For example, he is solely responsible for any debts the company may incur. American pronunciation. Solely. Solely. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Solely. Say. Solely. Solely means not involving anyone or anything else. Solely. Solely. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. She said all letters from the department were addressed solely to her husband. Now, repeat after me. She said all letters from the department were addressed solely to her husband. The second practice. The dolls themselves are now made solely for the tourist interior design market. Now, repeat after me. The dolls themselves are now made solely for the tourist interior design market.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.